April 13th is our senior welding competition. So any senior in the United States can come and compete for prizes and scholarship. First place gets $14,000 to go to KWI. Second place gets 12. Third place gets 10, etc. The list goes on. Lots of prizes will be given away, and welding machines, as well as coolers, hats, hoodies, the whole 9 yards. The competition piece is going to be a 2G and a 3G 3/8 thick carbon steel plate, 60-10 and 70-18 fill and cap. So 60-10 root, horizontal and vertical, 70-18 fill and cap, horizontal and vertical, with 1/8 inch rods. So 1/8 inch 60-10 and 1/8 inch 70-18. Okay, this is a timed competition. You get 90 minutes to prep it, fit it up, and weld it. Now, just like the welding industry, our competition isn't going to go by how pretty it is. We're going to go by, is it over flush? Is there undercut? Is it uniform and clean? Is the root, does it penetrate? Does it fill the back side? We go by the code book. And then we determine the top several plates that are to code and spec. Then we cut them, clean them, and bend them and put them in our bender. So we let the code and the bender decide the winner of this competition. If it's a tie and both straps from different individuals are clean, then we go off of your time and things like that. Don't forget, April 13th, our National Senior Welding Competition in Flemingsburg, Kentucky. Now, if you're not a senior, we have a competition for juniors, sophomores, and freshmen. You can compete in our cutting torch competition. So you can come, compete, win prizes, hats, hoodies, coolers, and things like that. Meet lots of welders in the industry and check out our school. Also, I highly advise you, if you're an underclassman, to come to this competition. That way you can kind of see what it's going to be like your senior year to compete in our competition. So go compete in the cutting torch competition, see what it's going to be like, get your nerves out of the way, learn our facility, learn our machines, etc. It's an awesome time. Bring your friends, bring your family. See you there. Registration is on our website.